Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends. How are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to mod the shock spring on any RC car so it makes the spring stiffer and don't have to buy new shocks. And the reason, you see, this doesn't bounce back fully with the battery. A 3S big battery. Even worse, and with the body even worse. So of course the wing, I added this wing, also has to do with it, but even stock without the wing, we always put this at maximum, and still I think it would droop a little bit on the rear. So I'm gonna solve that with a do-it-yourself mod. So stay tuned and let's go into the video. What you're gonna use is this 2 cm conduit. Use it for electrical conduit. So this is 2 cm wide, 20 something, and what you do is you cut. First you have to measure from the shock, of course. So I'm gonna remove. You take the shock, remove the spring. I have this dust cover that I added. This doesn't come with the shocks, link in the description for that, because this is very handy. My shock is like good as new, as you can see, and I like these shocks very much because they don't leak. So now you take the conduit, you see, and this will go like this. So we'll take the measurement of the length. We'll have 2 cm and you cut it. After that you mark it again with the same piece and cut a second piece. Of that second piece you will remove a notch to allow for it to go inside the previous one. And you're gonna know in a second why. Then you'll cut a third one, but thinner, because the idea will be to put it over the other two, like so. And you will cut a little bit to put here and make a full circle. All right? And what you'll do, so the two, one inside of the other, and you will put it in place. And this inside one, as mine is already cut, it wouldn't show, so I did this. What will happen is, you see this piece, the inner piece is longer, so it will push the inside part out, and you will mark it and you will cut it. So when you put it in, it will go like this, completely flush with one another. All right? Then you'll put the exterior piece that I told you, and what this will do is, you see, the inner piece is to make some type of a washer for the spring, and the exterior one is to keep the spring in place. Of course, you have to glue this outer piece. The inner one, it's not needed, but I will also glue it. So you need to glue this. You can use super glue. I used PVC glue because I had it hand, but super glue works great. And that's it. I'm gonna show you how it will be, and then I will show you the finished product, install it in the car after I finish it. You see, now it's a stiff spring, what I was looking for. I'll be right back because now I'm gonna paint this black. I'm gonna glue the pieces and I'm gonna mount it on the car to show you. Alright, we'll be right back. So, you scuff, pieces are glued. You scuff them. Before you glue both pieces, you put the glue, you glue them, and then you scuff the outside. Because we're gonna paint it black and we want the paint to adhere. So that's it. I'm gonna paint it. Painted. I'm gonna install it. As other YouTubers say, boom! It's finished. I'm gonna put the heavy battery. And the shell. You see? It works amazing. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I like the result. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button. It does help my channel to grow and does drive my motivation. Also consider subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because sometimes I come up with ideas like this. Alright? Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.